Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can pay for Netflix using Phonepe. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am on the Netflix site and I have already started creating an account. I entered my email and my password, and now let's just click finish sign up. And after you enter your credentials, the second step you need to do is to choose the plan you want. Just click next, select whichever plan you want. You have the choice between these three. They vary in quality of sound and video, resolution, and the amount of devices which you can use, as you can see here at the bottom. Let me just click standard for this tutorial, then just click next. And as you can see, now you have to choose your payment method. For me, I only have credit or debit card. However, if you have Phonepe available in your country, you will have the option to select UPI as a payment method. You just click on that, and then you need to select Phonepe as your UPI of choice. And then after you do that, what you're going to need to do is enter your UPI ID. And after you've done that, that is pretty much it. Your payment will be deducted from your account, and you'll be able to use Netflix once you finish registering your account. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.